Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee, and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this episode, we will be looking at Law 18. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept notified each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. Law 18 talks about the world being a dangerous place and enemies being everywhere. Everyone has to protect themselves. Now, they say a fortress seems like the safest option, but isolation will actually expose you to more dangers than you would like. So in order for you to protect yourself, you do not need to build a fortress around you, because isolation and cutting yourself off from valuable information and people will make you an easy target. Now, the best thing for you to do instead of isolating yourself is to actually circulate yourself amongst people. Find allies, find people that are like-minded, people that are similar to yourself. And that way you will be shielded from your enemies because you're surrounded by a crowd. And that's basically what this law is stating, that you need to surround yourself with other people so that you're not an open target. So yes, people, that is a brief summary of Law 18. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. And again, it's just saying that you need to keep a network of people around you. It's not about isolation. It's about building these networks. And instead of building fortresses, you build these networks so that you are not an easy target. People cannot just easily attack you because you're on your own. You need to have a network around you. And that is what that law is stating. Why? Because isolation is dangerous. That is Law 18. In the next video, we will be looking at Law 19. Know who you're dealing with. Do not offend the wrong person. But yes, people, that is it for this video. Quick one there, quick summary on Law 18. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date with the next upload. Make sure you subscribe, share, let everybody know what we've got going on over here. Stay blessed, have a great week, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Done now. Bye.